Welcome back to Speed Society, where true power meets timeless design and every machine tells a story worth hearing. Today, we're diving into one of Kawasaki's most powerful and iconic cruisers, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a force of nature on two wheels. The Vulcan 2000 has always represented the pinnacle of Kawasaki's cruiser lineup: raw muscle, unmatched torque, and that classic American-inspired presence combined with Japanese precision. For 2025, Kawasaki has brought the legend back with refined styling, updated technology, and that monstrous V-twin heart that continues to dominate the road. The legacy of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. The Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 holds a legendary spot in the world of heavyweight cruisers. When it first debuted, it shattered expectations by delivering the largest displacement V-twin ever put into a production motorcycle, a jaw-dropping 2,053 cubic centimeters engine that redefined what power meant in a cruiser. Riders loved it not only for its size but for its ability to deliver endless torque and smooth, confident performance. Over the years, the Vulcan 2000 became an icon for those who demanded the feel of traditional muscle combined with Kawasaki's engineering precision. Now, the 2025 model brings back that same soul but with a touch of modern refinement, advanced comfort, and a design language that feels both aggressive and elegant. It's still unmistakably a Vulcan, bold, brawny, and unapologetically powerful. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 Vulcan 2000 is a visual statement of strength and sophistication. Its design perfectly blends the essence of a traditional cruiser with modern styling cues. The massive fuel tank, wide handlebars, and low-slung stance give it that commanding road presence riders crave. Kawasaki has updated the bodywork with more aerodynamic lines, a sharper LED headlight setup, and sleek chrome accents that highlight the bike's muscular proportions. The massive dual exhaust system remains a key part of its identity, producing a deep, thunderous note that makes every ride unforgettable. New color options for 2025, including obsidian black metallic, midnight crimson, and titanium silver, make it look as menacing as it feels. Every detail, from the sculpted fenders to the polished engine casings, reflects Kawasaki's craftsmanship and attention to detail. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 lies its signature 2,053 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, a masterpiece of engineering that defines brute strength. This powerhouse delivers an astonishing 120 horsepower and a staggering 140 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful cruisers ever built. The throttle response is instant, and the torque delivery is immense, giving you relentless pull from idle all the way to the top end. Despite its massive power, Kawasaki has refined the fueling and engine mapping for 2025 to deliver smoother acceleration and better low-end control. The 5-speed gearbox has been reworked for crisper shifts, while the belt final drive ensures smooth, maintenance-free performance. On the open road, the Vulcan 2000 feels unstoppable, effortlessly overtaking traffic and cruising at high speeds with zero strain. It's a machine built for riders who crave both raw muscle and mechanical sophistication. Technology and features. While the Vulcan 2000 stays true to its old-school roots, the 2025 model brings a host of modern updates to keep it current. Kawasaki has equipped it with ABS, ride-by-wire throttle, and cruise control as standard. The new full digital instrument cluster replaces the older analog dials, offering easy access to trip data, gear position, fuel range, and ambient temperature. LED lighting now runs across the bike, improving visibility and efficiency. Optional add-ons include keyless ignition, heated grips, and integrated USB charging ports. The technology complements the cruiser's raw essence rather than overwhelming it, keeping that authentic mechanical feel while giving you modern convenience when you need it. Handling and comfort. Despite being a heavyweight cruiser, the 2025 Vulcan 2000 surprises you with how composed and manageable it feels on the road. Kawasaki engineers have fine-tuned the steel double cradle frame for better weight distribution, giving it remarkable stability. The 43mm front forks and adjustable rear shock provide a balanced mix of comfort and control, soaking up bumps while maintaining a planted ride. The wide handlebars and low seat height offer a relaxed, commanding position that's perfect for long rides. Kawasaki's focus on rider ergonomics means the seat has been redesigned with improved padding and lumbar support, making hours on the road feel effortless. Riding experience. Riding the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is an experience of pure dominance. From the moment you start the engine, the deep rumble of that massive V-twin fills the air with authority. The torque hits instantly, effortless, strong, and smooth. Twist the throttle, and the bike surges forward with an unstoppable wave of power that makes you feel like you're riding a force of nature. The suspension glides over rough roads, the brakes bite with precision. Upgrades for 2025. For 2025, Kawasaki has focused on refinement and usability. The engine tuning has been optimized for smoother torque delivery, the suspension has been slightly upgraded for a more comfortable ride, and the seat has been redesigned with new materials for improved long-distance comfort. The braking system now uses dual front 320mm discs with 4-piston calipers, providing exceptional stopping power for a bike of its size. Who is this for? The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is built for riders who crave massive torque, raw muscle, and commanding presence. It's not a beginner's bike, it's for those who want to feel every heartbeat of that massive V-twin and enjoy the road with authority. Ideal for experience, cruiser lovers and long-distance riders, it offers both performance and comfort in equal measure. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is expected to start around $18,999, positioning it as a premium heavyweight cruiser that still offers tremendous value for its performance and engineering. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is a reminder that true power never goes out of style. It's a cruiser that blends sheer muscle with modern refinement, a motorcycle that commands respect wherever it goes. Kawasaki has managed to preserve the raw spirit of the original while enhancing it with 21st-century technology and comfort. At Speed Society, we believe the Vulcan 2000 isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience. It's a symbol of strength, precision, and unrelenting passion for the open road. For riders who live for torque, sound, and soul, the 2025 Vulcan 2000 remains the undisputed heavyweight champion of the cruiser world.